sir. I received an encrypted transmission from an untraceable source. It claims that Tosh here was part of a classified operation called Project Shadowblade. They used Jorium and Terrazine to enhance ghost powers.
It's true. We are called Spectres. Next generation ghosts.
And you were gonna tell me all this when?
We all have our secrets, Mr. Rena. Doesn't mean I'm any threat to you.
Maybe not. But whoever sent this message could be. Matt, any way to verify the transmission?
No, sir. But it does end with, "I'll be in touch soon."
It's Minsk, trying to turn us against each other. Don't let him.
I'll let it lie for now. At least till I find out who sent this transmission. But I'll be keeping an eye on you, Tosh.
You can try. Still don't trust me, brother. Until you decide, ain't nothing to discuss.
That Tosh is a whack job, Jimmy. Spends all his time muttering and playing around with those damn dolls of his.
Well, I need someone to balance out your sophistication and good manners.
The guy ain't riding ahead, brother. I can appreciate some good honest craziness. But that guy, he's got something broke inside.
I repeat, death toll is in the thousands. A Dominion weapons plant exploded hours ago, causing a chain reaction that has taken out several housing complexes in this working-class neighborhood. Dominion security forces claim it was an act of terror by the notorious Jim Raynor, but our own investigations suggest that the plant must have been infiltrated by forces with sophisticated stealth technologies. It begs the question, could some of the Dominion's ghost operatives have gone rogue? For UNN, this is Kate Lockwell reporting from the core world, Nephor 2.
Let's get down to business.
Sir, you should check out the research console. There's some exciting developments there.
What do you make of that encrypted message, Matt?
I honestly don't know, sir. If Tosh really is one of these Spectres, it's clear Mengsk would try to ruin your partnership. But Tosh isn't telling us everything. If we're going to win this revolution...
I know. We have to be sure of our allies.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security. If we intercept the trains and liberate their contents before they can be shipped off-world, we could make a serious profit.
Any ship receiving this transmission.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station.
What's going on?
Armed and ready.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
Bad news? In the rear with... Ah! You scared me!
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours. My pleasure. What's the plan? On the move.
SCV ready.
I like it. How devious. Excellent. I like it. My pleasure.
SCV ready.
On the move. Excellent. At the ready. How devious.
SCV ready.
Go on. Victory is ours. Of course. Excellent. I like it. Victory is ours.
Go ahead. In the rear with the gear.
What's on your mind? What? My pleasure. On the move.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
What's going on? Yeah, whatever.
Additional supply depots required.
Of course. How devious. Of course.
Ah! You scared me!
I'm waiting. Excellent. Victory is ours.
Goliath online.
I like it. On the move.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
Ah! You scared me! Gotcha.
I'm waiting.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Yes, sir!
What? My pleasure. How devious.
SCV ready.
My pleasure. ours.
SCV ready.
On the move. What needs killing? I like it. Excellent. Of course. My pleasure. Victory is ours. On the move. I like it. Excellent. How devious. I like it. On the move. Of course. How devious. My pleasure.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Oh, it's on.
I'm waiting. What needs killing?
SCV ready.
Excellent.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours. I like it. How devious. Of course. My pleasure.
SCV ready.
On the move. I like it. Of course. How devious.
SCV ready.
What's the plan? Go on. My pleasure. Excellent. On the move. Victory is ours. Excellent. I like it. Victory is ours.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
Huh? You're the boss.
What needs killing? What's on your mind?
Base is under attack.
On the move.
Big job.
Assistance required.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
This better be good.
Go on.
SCV ready. Move it.
Been waiting on you.
I'm waiting.
Bad news. SCV ready. In the rear with the gear.
What needs killing?
Shallow.
SCV ready.
Got a whole lot of love.
At the ready.
SCV ready.
received, TACOM. Navcom locked.
Big job, huh? SCV ready. Well, butter my biscuit. Huh?
Gangway, coming through.
Yo, go ahead. SCV ready.
Excellent. I like it.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours. Excellent. I like it. My pleasure. How devious.
SCV ready.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
Move. How devious. Of course. Victory is ours.
In the rear with the gear. Ah!
Get me out of here. What's the plan? I like it. Excellent. Of course. Victory is ours.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
How devious. At the ready. What? Victory is ours. On the move. What's on your mind? I like it.
Go, go, go!
Huh?
What needs killing?
What's going on?
Assistance required.
Big job, huh?
At the ready. What?
Go, go, go!
I like it. Of course. Victory is ours. How devious. My pleasure.
Who wants some?
On the move.
Big job, huh?
Goliath online.
Huh?
Vespine geyser exhausted.
It's about to get heavy.
Excellent. On the move. How
Add-on
devious.
complete.
Of course. What's on your mind? My pleasure. I like it. On the move. At the ready. Excellent. What needs killing?
Go ahead. Bad news? Big job, huh?
Go on. What's on your mind? I'm waiting. Victory is ours.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Huh? What's going on?
Additional supply depots required.
Go it. Ah! You scared me! Big job.
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply depots required.
At the ready.
Upgrade complete.
In the rear with the gear. Will do. Woo-hoo! Overtime. I can't build here.
What's on your mind?
Shadow up.
Go on.
Go on.
I like it. Of course. Excellent. Get me out of here. Victory is ours. My pleasure. On the move.
SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through. It's about to get heavy.
SCV ready.
My pleasure. On the move. Victory is ours. How devious.
SCV ready.
I like it. Of course. Excellent.
Upgrade complete.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
Assistance required.
I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
Yeah, what? Big job, huh? This better be good.
Goliath online.
My pleasure. How devious. On the move. Of course.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
Is ours.
Upgrade complete.
In the rear. Ah! You scared me! Bad news? Yup.
At the ready. My pleasure. What's on your
Mineral
mind?
field depleted.
You want a piece of me, boy?
What needs killing? Victory is ours. How devious. Excellent. Of course.
Armed and ready.
I like it. On the move. My pleasure. How devious. I like it. Excellent.
Comlink on.
This better be good.
Of course. My pleasure.
Just say when. Of course.
What's going on? Go ahead. Been waiting on you.
Upgrade complete. Vespine geyser exhausted.
The doctor is in.
We could use some help here.
Victory is ours. How devious. On the move. My pleasure. Of course. What needs killing? What's on your mind?
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Bad news?
What's the plan?
Please state the nature of your medical emergency.
What?
Mineral field depleted.
In the rear with the gear.
Go on. Excellent. My pleasure. How devious. Of course. What needs killing? Victory is ours. I like it. Excellent.
Huh? It's your...
At the ready.
Assistance required.
What's on your mind? How devious. My pleasure. Of course. On the move.
Mineral field depleted.
I like it. Excellent. What needs killing?
Assistance required.
In the rear.
I'm waiting. Of course. How devious. On the move. Victory is ours. My pleasure. I like it. Excellent. Victory is ours. Of course. What needs killing? How devious. My pleasure. On the move. How devious. I like it. Huh. Victor at the ready.
Go, go, go!
Mineral field depleted.
Gateway. Coming through.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
At the ready. What needs killing?
Been waiting on you. You scared me!
Victory is ours.
We could use some help here.
On the move.
Been waiting on you.
Assistance
better be good. Keep your shirt on.
At the ready.
Add-on complete.
What needs killing? Of course.
Assistance required.
The doctor is in.
Been waiting on you.
My pleasure. I like it. Of course. On the move.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Adjutant 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. It's an old Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important they'd go and dig her up to recover it?